Hi, I'm Brandon with Elliott Equipment. I'm the Quality Control Division here. Today we have your 2002 Ford F550 with an Elliott boom on it. We're going to show you all the features of your truck and show you how to operate your boom. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start it up. Alright, this unit has a push button PTO. There's a PTO switch down here, and it has a unit power switch. Both these have to be on to engage your PTO. Make sure your truck is in park and your parking brake is pushed all the way down. We'll turn our unit power on, our PTO switch on, lights up red, your truck revs up, your PTO is engaged. On the rear of the truck, on your driver's side, we have our selector lever, up for outriggers, down for lift, make sure it's up. To lower your outriggers, we have outriggers raise and lower. Passenger side outrigger lever. Once you get your outrigger set, push your selector lever down. Now we have hydraulic truck pedestal. Here on our pedestal, this boom has been certified and dielectric tested by Elliott Equipment. It's good for 1 year. On the base of our pedestal, we have a start-stop DC pump. Press and hold. Truck stopped. DC pump, press. DC pump kicks on. Press it again. DC pump off. Wait a couple seconds. Press and hold. Truck is started again. Everything is labeled nice and clearly here on our pedestal. Your first lever will be your selector lever. Up for lower controls, that'll be your pedestal. Push it down for your bucket. So make sure it's up. Our first lever will be lower boom, raise and lower. Upper boom, up and down. Upper boom, extend and retract. Rotation clockwise, counterclockwise, and bucket leveling. We'll fly your boom from your pedestal and show you that everything works. selector lever down. Now we have hydraulics to our bucket. Here in our bucket, we have a start-stop DC pump here also. Press and hold. Truck is stopped. DC pump kicks on. Press it again to turn your DC pump off. Wait a couple seconds. Press and hold. Truck is started again. This lever here will be your lower boom raise and lower. Then we have bucket tilt up and down. For our pistol grip, squeeze your safety trigger, lift up to raise your upper boom, press down to lower your upper boom. Press forward to extend your upper boom, pull back to retract to your upper boom. Move your handle from your left and your right for rotation, clockwise, counterclockwise. I'm going to hand this camera over and fly your boom from your bucket and show you that everything works. Up, and we can raise our outrigger. Turn your unit power off, your PTO switch off, and your PTO is disengaged. Driver steer tire. Engine compartment. Everything is nice and dry. This unit has been fully serviced. Passenger steer tire. Passenger side box. Passenger side drive tires. The sides of our bed itself, the sides of our boxes, the top of our boxes, the base of our pedestal, the rear of the truck are all Line-X, really tough up, excellent for wear. It also provides a good walking surface on your bed. Zoom in and show you the Line-X texture. Everything you see in black in the rear of the truck here is all Line-X. Rear of your truck, sides, driver's side drive tires. First box, keep all our safety equipment, fire extinguisher, wheel chocks, triangles, and your bucket cover. This unit has been fully DOT inspected. Here's your DOT sticker. Let's take a look inside the cab. Everything is nice and clean and complete. Every option this unit has is in good working condition. Alright, there you have it. Everything works really well. We have a really nice unit for you. We're going to send this video to you email. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your salesman. Thanks for your purchase and have a good day.